He's soft, like our cat. Where's the cat?
We don't want the cat out here.
Is he?
Why do you think we don't want the cat out here?
Is he inside?
Yeah.
So he can't eat the birds.
Exactly. I think the birds were fighting and this one was pecked by one of the other birds.
Dad?
They might have been fighting over the food or something.
Where do woodpeckers come from?
They don't have them in New Zealand.
What?
They don't live in New Zealand.
Oh. Do they live? Where do they actually live?
Lots of places, but not here.
They peck in the trees, and that's how they get a home.
Mhm.
Did they get any babies yet? Did this one get any babies?
They have like tiny little eggs.
Like this small?
Pretty small. Look how small he is.
I'm bringing it.
What kind of bird is he?
Look
Look at his eye. That's the hint. Silvereye. Or wax eye. I can't remember the Maori name for it, but you should look it up. Very gentle.
I like him. He's cute. Why is they putting fruit on there?
Because they like it.
Well, he's eating all of the grapes. Look what he's done. He's putting holes in there.
That's good.
He's really soft. I really like him.
Do you think he's okay?
Yeah, but why does he keep moving?
Well, because it's not normal.
He keeps moving. I'm trying to feel him. He's so funny.
I think he likes you. See, he just wants to eat.
He likes pecking in there.
It's juicy inside the grape.
Eh.
You think he's okay? Just careful. It's kind of really gently. Really gently because, okay? You might go off your sleeve. What are we going to do with him if he can't fly?
Well, we can put it in and we could,
Maybe we'll get him a shoebox and put some stuff in there and keep him safe.
How about we'll put some of my little toys in and food for him?
Something warm.
A shoebox.
Oh,
well, how about what? Well, he won't actually breathe in there. He won't breathe in there.
We're not going to close it. It's just somewhere if he needs somewhere warm to be.
What do you find in your house? Everywhere. He's so cute. But he has no pink on him. No pink.
He really just wants.
Teddy.
He just wants to eat.
Here comes Teddy. Teddy, Teddy, Teddy. Bagu. Bagu.
Don't scare him though.
Sorry.
Imagine if you were that small. And, you know, I think you would be scared if somebody was really big.
He's not even having any of the apple.
I think the grapes are his favorite. Seems like.
I think he really likes grape. I really like him. He's so furry.
Furry? Feathers.
Furry feathers. He likes to.
Fluffy.
And he's